Dear students, this is our third video on the chapter relation and function. So in this video, we will study the functions and type of the function. First, let us recall what is the meaning of the function. So here, a function f x to y is a relation from x to y such that for every x belongs to x has unique image in Y. Now here it is. Let us take the example here. Look here it is. Suppose it is X is a set. It is A, B, C. And here Y is a set. Suppose it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we define f(x) to y is defined by it is the image of A is supposed to, the image of B is supposed it is 1, image of it is C is it is 3 suppose. Now to see whether this relation which has image as f of A is 2, image of A is 2, image of B is 1 and image of C is 3. So now let us check up by using the arrow diagram. Suppose this is the set X, it represents the set Y. So here it has an element A, B, C and it is 1, 2, it is 3, 4. Now the image of A is 2 here, image of B is it is 1 here and image of C is it is 3 here. Now you see here every x belongs to x, as we say every element of x has a unique image in the y, therefore it is a function. And moreover it has some other properties also, we discuss it later on. When there is a function from x to y, the set x is called as the domain, we know it already, and set y is called as codomain, and set of images is called range. Here x is equal to domain, the set y is called codomain, and the set of images, that is we say it as f of x, set of images, which in this example we have 1, 2, 3. It is called range. These already we know regarding the this is the function. Now in this here we give stress on the type of the function. So of the function, there are many type of the function. With these details, we study the type of the function. Type of functions. So here first we study regarding the 1-1 function. 1-1 function, it is also called as, the 1-1 functions are also called as injective mapping. That is, or injective mapping. So injective mapping, what is the meaning of injective mapping? Here we define like this. Let a function f x to y is called one function. Is called one function or injective mapping if distinct element of x have distinct element in y. Distinct images in y, we may say. Images in it is the set y codomain. So here mathematically the same we describe it as it is, that is, we write f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. That is, when images are two elements are same, then the element must also be the same. Here is the meaning. It is equivalent. Not equal to also. F of x1 is not equal to f of x2 implies x1 is not equal to. This shows that distinct element of x have distinct images. That's all. So here it is. Let us give an example for the one function. Example of one function. Suppose here let x is a set containing, suppose it is a, b, c, and y is a set containing 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we define f x to y is defined as it is f is equal to, it is, suppose image of image of a is 3, image of it is b is suppose 1, and image of c is suppose it is 4 here. This is the function f is given. Now how to see whether it is a 1 or not? Draw the arrow diagram. Look here. This is x, this is y. The image is under f here. It is a, b, it is c, 1, 2, 3, 4. The image of a is 3. Image of a is 3. Image of b is 1. And image of c is 4. Now you can see distinct element of x have distinct images in y. Therefore, it is one function. It is one or injective mapping. It is one function or it is injective mapping. Next we define what are the onto function, or it is called surjective mapping. So see, it is onto function. Onto function or surjective mapping. Surjective mapping. Now, one important thing I forgot to tell you that suppose a function is not 1, then what it is called? It is called the many one. A function is called many one if it is not 1. Now, we define onto function or surjective mapping. A function, we define a function f x to y is called onto function. Onto function if for every y belongs to y, there exists x belongs to x such that fx is equal to 1. What is the meaning of this statement? See here, meaning of this statement is that every element of codomain, y is our codomain, every element of codomain is the image of some element of the domain. There left no element in y which is not the image. All elements of the y are images only. So that such is called as the onto function or subjective mapping. See, for example, let us take here it is example. We write x is a set, suppose it is a, b, c, and y, let us take it as it is 1, 2, it is 1, 2, it is alright, 1, 2, let us take. We define f x to y is defined by it is image of it is a is suppose 1, image of b is it is 2 suppose, and image of c is suppose it is 1 again. If you draw the diagram here, arrow diagram, this is x, it is y, this is under f, it is a, b, it is c, 1. Now image of a is 1, a is 1. Image of b is 2, image of c is it is 1. See here, there left no element in codomain which is not the image. That means all elements of the codomain are images. Such function is called as the onto function or surjective mapping. Now we will solve some problems of this 1, 1, 2 and onto function. Let A be the set of all 50 students. 50 students of a class. Students of a class. 50 students of a class. Class 10 is a school. In a school. In a school, f(a) to l be a function defined by fx is equal to rule numbers of a student x. Student x. Show that f is 1, 1. Show that f is 1, 1. But not onto. Now, let us understand this problem. Here, look here. What is our function? Function is from the students, number of students are 50 of a class 10th here in a school, and n is the set of natural number. We define a function such that this is the fx means image is the rule number of the every student. Now regarding 1, 1, we see that every element has only one rule number. No student have two rule numbers. So therefore, one element, a particular boy is there, it has rule number 1. Second boy, rule number 2. Third boy, rule number 3. Like this, every student has only one rule number. That's why the function is 1 1. Next, onto. See, set of natural number is infinite. We have only 50 students. 51 is not the rule number of any student. Therefore, the natural numbers 51, 52, 53 up to 100,000 like that, all the numbers, they are not images of any, they are not the rule numbers of any student. Therefore, it cannot be onto here. Therefore, it is clear that a function f a to n which give the rule number, it is 1 1 function, because every student has only one rule number, it is 1 1 function. And it is not onto, because all the numbers after 50 are not the rule numbers of any student. Therefore, the function cannot be onto. You can take down. Next problem. Show that the function given by fx is equal to 2x is 1 1 but not onto. 1 1 but not onto. Now let us here solve this problem. Here, what is given? The function is from natural number to natural number. Given by fx is divided 2x is 1 1 or not? 1 1 but it is not onto. Now for 1 1, look here, 1 1. F of x1 is equal to f of x2. Suppose where x1 and x2 are natural numbers. The images are equal. Then here you see f of x1 means from this we can write it is nothing but 2x1 is equal to 2x2. Now dividing by 2. Therefore we can write here it is x1 is equal to x. Therefore we have f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. Therefore f is 1 1 or it is injective bracket. So f is 1 1. Now let us check up for the onto function. What is the method to check up the onto function? Look here and try to understand this. Onto. For onto function, it is, let we suppose image of x is some y, suppose, where x and y both are natural numbers. Here fx is given by, image of x is given by, it is 2x is equal to y. Then x is equal to y by 2. That is image, so the value of x is y by 2. That means here, now we have to check up that whatever value of x we are getting, it's y by 2, whether it is there in the set of natural number or not. So y by 2 is a number which is of fraction type. It cannot be, it may belong to, for some value like y is equal to 2, it is a natural number. But for the remaining natural number, it is a fraction. So it does not belong to, it is natural number. So therefore we write it is, for every x belongs to it is n, there does not exist, it is f of x is equal to, it is x by 2 you can write, where such that fx is equal to y. Therefore f is not on. It is not on. This function is 1 1, but it is not onto, because the image we are getting is of the type y by 2, which may not be the natural number. similar problem is there. Instead of natural number, it is real numbers are given. So for real number, let us check up. So show that the function instead of n to n, he has taken the set of real number r to r given by fx is equal to 2x is 1 1 1 1 and on to r naught. We have to check up fx is equal to 2. We will check up it. First one 1 1 let us check up. So here let f of x1 is equal to f of x2, where x1 and x2 are real numbers. Now the value of f of x1 is nothing but it is 2x1 is equal to it is 2x. So dividing by 2, we get x1 is equal to x2. Therefore we have f of x1 is equal to it is f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. Therefore f is 1 1. 1 1 r, it is injective. Now let us check up for the onto function. So here onto r, it is also called surjective mapping. So onto means here it is let fx is equal, image of x is y. Now image is given by 2x is equal to y. So x is equal to it is y by 2. Now you can see that the term y by 2, this type of number, whether it belongs to the real number or not. Naturally it is real number. It belongs to r. So it belongs to it is a real number. Therefore we can write for every x belongs to r, there exists y by 2 belongs to r such that fx is equal to y. Therefore f is onto also. Remember, a function is, if it has both 1 1 and onto, it is called bijective function or bijection. Let us define what is the meaning of bijective function or bijection. R naught to R naught, defined by fx is equal to 1 by x. Fx is equal to 1 by x is 1 1 and onto. 1 1 and onto. 1 1 and onto. First, you know what is the meaning of R naught? R naught is the set of non-zero real numbers. So 0 will not be there in that. That means we exclude the R naught. Sometimes we write it as it is R naught is equal to the set of real number excluding 0. That is the R naught. So at that time let us check up for the 1 1. So it is 1 1. Same method we follow. Let f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Then f of x1 means it is 1 by x1 is equal to 1 by x2. Now taking reciprocal of this, we can write this as x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, it is when images are same, elements are same. x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1 1 or injective one. F is 1 1. Regarding onto, let us see whether it is onto or not. So now onto, let us discuss onto function. So here onto, let us suppose let f of x is equal to it is y. then f of x is given by 1 by x here according to the supposition y. Therefore, taking reciprocal, x is equal to 1 by y. Now we have to see that whether this 1 by y which is to be substituted here, it is the image of y here. Now 1 by y, it is there in the set of R0 R0. So naturally it belongs to the set, it is R0. Therefore, for every x belongs to R0, there exists 1 by y belongs to R0 such that fx is equal to it is y. Therefore, f is 1 1. F is onto. You see, f is as a property both 1 1 and onto. Therefore, we can say that it is a bijective function or bijection. We can write f is bijection because it has both the property 1 1 as well as onto. The injectivity and surjectivity of the function f n to n given by fx is equal to it is x square. Fx is equal to x square. Now, both domain and codomain both are set of natural numbers only. So therefore, first let us check up for 1 1. For 1 1, let f of x1 is equal to f of x2, where x1, x2 belongs to it is natural number. Now, according to define the image of x1 is x1 square, it is x2 square. Now, taking square root both the side, x1 is equal to x2. Because it is a set of natural number, we have to consider only positive numbers. So, while taking square root. So, therefore, x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, we can write f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1 1. F is 1 1. Now, let us check up for onto or in surjectivity. So, now let fx is equal to y. Fx is given by x square, that is equal to y. X is equal to it is root y. We have not written plus or minus y because minus y does not belong to natural number. So here it is in, but still you can see under root y is a number which may not be in the natural number. So it does not belong to it is natural number, set of natural number. Therefore, it is, we can directly write down here that f is not onto. Therefore, it is 1 1, but it is not onto. It is injective, but not surjective. Now, similar problem is there. Instead of taking the set of natural number, he has taken the set of integers, that is z, f z to z, defined by the same thing here. Now, we have to check up there whether it is injective and surjective or not. Now, let us say instead of this is f of x1 is equal to f of x2, where x1, x2 they belongs to it is z. But here, one thing we note here, see it is, because it is having perfect square, now you see here, f of 1 let us take, it is 1 square, that is 1. Now what is the value of f of minus 1? That is minus 1 square, that is also plus 1. You see the value of f of 1 is equal to f of minus 1 because both are equal to 1 1 only. So therefore we can write here it implies that f of 1 is equal to f of minus 1, but we cannot say that 1 is equal to minus 1. We cannot say 1 is not equal to minus 1. Therefore images are same, elements are different. So therefore f is not 1 1 1 1, or it is not injective. Let us check up for the surjective when we consider the set of integers. Surjective, or it is onto. For onto, you see here it is let fx is equal to y. Fx is given by x square is equal to y. X is equal to it is, because it is plus or minus y, we have to take here. Now can we say that a number of this type under root y belongs to the set of this subset of integers? Surely it does not belong. So therefore it does not belong to the set of integers. Therefore for every x belongs to it is r, z, sorry, there does not exist it is y belongs to it is z, such that f of x is equal to y. Therefore f is not onto. So therefore it is neither 1 1 nor onto. So that is the solution here. Pascal. The greatest integer function. The greatest integer function f set of real number to real number given by fx is equal to the greatest integer function x, that means x is enclosed in a rectangular bracket, is neither 1 1 nor onto. Is neither 1 1 nor onto. Now first let us understand what is the meaning of the greatest integer function. Let us recall it. Already we have studied in first year. So here whether it is what is the meaning of that greatest integer function. Now you see the value, I will give some values to understand the subject. The value of the greatest integer function 1 is 1 only. Suppose we take it is 1.1, then also it is answer will be 1 only. We take 1.2, 1.3, that answer is 1 only. So whatever in the greatest integer, property of the greatest integer function is that answer will be integers only. We neglect the decimal part here. So this is the meaning of the greatest integer function. Now greatest integer function, you see here it is, let us write down for 1 1. Now for 1 1 function you see here it is we have greatest integer function of 1 is equal to 1, and greatest integer function of 1.1 is also 1. So both have same value. Therefore we can write the greatest integer function is equal to 1 is equal to 1.1. But we cannot say, but images are same here, but 1 cannot be equal to 1.1. Elements are not same. Here images are same, elements are not same. Therefore this greatest integer function is not 1 1. Now let us see the onto function. You see all the, you may take any number. Its answer will be an integer only. What about the fractional part, another quantity under root and extra all real number other than the it is integers. They are not the images of any number, therefore it cannot be onto. So we write down this sentence that all the real numbers other than integers are not the images. Therefore, it is the greatest integer function is not onto. Therefore, it is neither 1 1 nor onto. Neither 1 1 nor onto. That is the property of the greatest integer function. We have a similar problem of this modulus function. Let us check up for the modulus function. Take down this here. Show that the modulus function FR to R given by Fx is equal to mod of x is neither 1 1 nor onto. Now, again, let us check up here. So, for 1 1 function, look here. And before that, let us define what is the modulus function. Modulus function is defined as its value will be minus x if x is less than 0. Its value will be plus x if x is greater than 0. If value is equal to 0, if x is equal to 0. Now, by applying this definition, let us check up for 1 1. So, 1 1 function, we have, what is the mod of it is plus 1, its value is 1. We know by the definition. If you take value minus 1, because x is less than x, first condition is minus of minus, it will become plus. Whatever value inside the mod will be there, answer will be positive only. So therefore we can write it is mod of 1 is equal to mod of minus 1. But we cannot say that 1 is equal to minus 1. Therefore it is not 1. Now regarding onto, you see here in the modulus function, all the images are positive only. Negative real numbers are not images of any number, therefore it cannot be onto. Simple reason. So here all the images under mod x are positive. No negative number is image. No negative number is image. Therefore, it cannot be. It cannot be aunt. Therefore, we can write it is fx is equal to mod x is neither 1 1 nor aunt. Neither 1 1 nor aunt. That is the value of this value of this here. Continue the subject in our next video. Please practice it.